Stay with us to know all the assorted news. Hundreds of migratory birds were caught falling to the ground on a security camera in Mexico's Cuauhtémoc city. In the now viral video, a large flock of yellow-headed blackbirds can be plummeting from the sky as some of them fly upwards after descending low, with many falling dead. Mexican newspaper El Heraldo de Chihuahua reported that many locals spotted several yellow-headed blackbirds lying dead on roads and sidewalks of Cuauhtémoc on February 7, 2022. The unusual death of the migratory birds that travel to Mexico around this time of the year from Canada has caused much speculation. The El Heraldo de Chihuahua reported citing a veterinarian the deaths could have been caused by sudden electrocution or high levels of pollution in the city. On social media, many people are blaming 5G technology, but the theory not supported by evidence. Hope you enjoyed the video. If any advice for us, please write in description box. We will follow your valuable feedback accordingly. Stay with us to know all the assorted news.